Mastering the art of language, switching between formal and informal English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting aspect of English language learning: adjusting your language and vocabulary when transitioning between formal and informal writing styles. Understanding how to navigate these two styles can greatly improve your overall English proficiency. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of effective communication. Adjusting your language and vocabulary means consciously altering the words and phrases you use based on the context. This could be because of who you're communicating with, the platform you're using, or the purpose of your writing. For example, writing an email to a friend is very different from composing a business proposal. Knowing when and how to make these adjustments is a crucial skill in English writing. Formal English is usually used in professional settings or when communicating with people you don't know well. It tends to be more structured, uses full sentences, and avoids slang and contractions. On the other hand, informal English is generally used with friends, family, or in casual situations. It is more relaxed, might include slang, contractions, and can even use sentence fragments. The key to transitioning between these two styles is understanding the context and adjusting your language and vocabulary accordingly. Let's talk about specific techniques you can use to adjust your language and vocabulary. Subsection 3.1. Word choice. Different words can be used to express the same meaning in both formal and informal English. For example, in a formal setting, you might say, "We will commence the meeting at 10 a.m. In an informal setting, this could be, "We'll start the meet at 10, okay?" Choosing the right words based on the context is your first step to mastering the switch. Subsection 3.2. Sentence structure. Formal writing tends to use complex sentences and passive voice, while informal writing favors simple sentences and active voice. For instance, a formal sentence could be, "The report was completed by the team." In an informal setting, it could be, "The team finished the report." Tailoring your sentence structure to the style of writing makes your communication clear and appropriate. Subsection 3.3. Tone and voice. Formal writing usually maintains an objective tone and avoids emotional language, while informal writing allows for personal expressions and emotions. For example, "We regret to inform you that," versus "sorry," but modulating your tone and voice appropriately can set the mood for your entire piece. And there we have it, folks. That's your guide to adjusting your language and vocabulary when transitioning between formal and informal English. With practice, you'll find yourself navigating these two styles with ease, making your English communication skills even more effective. We hope you found this helpful, and remember, language is an art, and you are the artist. Happy writing!